What's the meaning of Anthony dollar? Anthony dollar. Anthony dollar. Anthony dollar. Anthony dollar. Anthony dollar.
The Anthony dollar is a United States dollar coin that was minted from 1979 to 1981, and again in 1999. It features the portrait of Susan B. Anthony, a pioneer of women's rights and suffrage. The coin was intended to replace the paper dollar in circulation, but it was widely unpopular due to its small size and similarity in appearance to a quarter. The Anthony dollar never gained widespread use, and production was eventually stopped. Today, it is primarily considered a collector's item.